JCT600 are here for you every step of the way, wherever your journey may take you. We'll take the worry and stress away from you to ensure your vehicle remains fit for the future, with carefully selected solutions to make servicing your vehicle easy, convenient and cost-effective. You can even spread the cost over a 6-month period with our interest-free flexible payment options. Every vehicle we service benefits from a full vehicle health check to ensure that you know the condition of your vehicle inside and out. We use genuine parts and lubricants, and our highly trained technicians will ensure that you receive the best possible care and advice. We'll even send you a video of what we're doing whilst your vehicle is in our care. If you're happy for us to do so, we'll keep a record of your service so we can remind you when it may next be due. So whether your vehicle was bought from us or not, you'll always be welcomed by JCT600. Book online at jct600.co.uk.